This is a professional headphones commercial. It cost thousands of dollars to produce and required a full crew, cameras, lighting, and a studio setup. And this is an AI-generated advertisement made using Higgsfield AI. Both look cinematic, both feel premium, but one of them cost a fraction of the other, and that's the crazy part. With the right AI tool and the right workflow, you can save an insane amount of money while still creating advertisements that look professionally filmed. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create cinematic tech ads like this for your own brand without a camera, without a crew, and without spending thousands on production. If this sounds useful, don't forget to like the video and let's get right into it. Also, before jumping into tools, it's important to understand how big brands actually attract millions of people through their advertisements. Big brands attract millions through ads by focusing on emotion, not information. They use slow, controlled visuals and clean composition to guide attention and make products feel valuable. Every camera move and lighting choice is intentional, not flashy. Once you understand this, you realize great ads are about direction and storytelling, not expensive gear. To recreate commercials like this, I'll be using Higgsfield AI because it brings multiple top-tier AI photo and video generation models like Sora 2 and Nano into one place, giving you full control over style, motion, and realism instead of locking you into a single look. All right, so I'm inside the Higgsfield video workspace now. This is where the entire ad comes together. For this example, I'm creating a tech gadget commercial specifically for premium wireless earbuds. Small products like this are perfect for cinematic ads. To start off, the first step is to come onto Higgsfield.ai on their official website, which will also be linked in the video description. After coming here, make sure to sign up. After signing up, you will come onto their homepage, and here, just hover over the video section, and here you will see all the video generation services they offer. But don't get confused and simply just click on the first option, create video. Then you will be redirected to this interface. And here, as you can see, this is where our commercial will be generated into different scenes. Here on the left section, you need to enter the prompt of your scene. And most importantly, you will need a starting image for your scene. Worry not, this is also super easy, and you can use Google's Nano for absolutely free to generate the starting frames. You can also use ChatGPT to write a professional prompt for your starting image. So for example, here I am using ChatGPT to generate a prompt for my starting image. You can also do several regenerations until you get a perfect starting image prompt. And once you have the prompt, you can just simply copy the prompt and paste it on Google's Nano, which will generate the starting image in a few seconds. And once you have the image, just upload it into the starting image section here on the left side. And then similarly, you can also upload a end frame if you want a specific scene. And then again, just enter the prompt for your commercial scene using any AI tool. And after that, you can also choose different video generation models like Sora 2, Google Veo, Kling, WAN, and many more. For this scene, I will be choosing Google Veo, but you can choose any of them which you think is the best. They also just rolled out the latest WAN model, which also adds a sound in the generated scene. You can also choose the video quality and ratio of the scene from here. And after finalizing all these details, just click on Generate, then you will need to wait for a few seconds. And after some time, you will have your first commercial scene generated. You can also change the size and layout from list to grid to see all the generated scenes in a single space. Now, for making a professional advertisement, it is important to note that for a single ad, you have to use multiple scenes interconnected with each other in order to make the ad engaging and appealing. So just repeat the same process as the first scene for all the scenes, and then just simply combine 5 to 10 scenes together to make your commercial look more professional. And boom, you will have a masterpiece commercial. Once everything is set, I generate the clip and review it like an editor. If something feels off, I don't rewrite everything. I adjust one thing at a time, maybe the camera distance or the lighting mood, and generate again. 2 or 3 iterations are usually enough to get a clean cinematic result. Higgsfield AI doesn't just stop at this. It also has a powerful click to add feature where you simply paste your product link and the system automatically analyzes the product and generates a ready to ready-to-use video ad with visuals, avatars, and voiceover. This is perfect when you want fast, scalable ads without building everything from scratch. For example, if you paste an Apple headphones link here in the links section and click on Create, it will start extracting all the information of the product from the given link. As you can see, it has extracted all the required pictures. You can also upload a logo or brand color here and also choose the color. And after choosing all these, just click on Continue. And then comes the most important part of the generation, choosing your ad style. As you can see, they have various types of styles. Choose the most appropriate one from here and then just click on Generate. And after a few minutes, you will have your high quality ad generated. This tool is perfect for brands wanting to create reels, shorts, or vertical advertisements effortlessly and quickly. The same thing for which companies spend hundreds or maybe millions of dollars is ready in just a few minutes. If you're a creator or a brand, this AI tool can save you a massive amount of time and money while still letting you produce ads that look professionally shot. And if you can describe a shot, you can create one. That's it for this tutorial. Don't forget to check out the Higgsfield AI tool. The link will be in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next one.